Greetings. So I thought I would give you an updated kind of strength and conditioning routine, because why not? So this is my warm-up. I literally just do 5 minutes. I know it says 4, but I did 5 minutes just on a bike just to warm up my legs a little bit. And then I go on to full body foam roll. This is painful, but I know how important it is, especially to do it at the start, just to kind of like loosen up any kind of tight muscles that I might have got through cycling, because obviously that is what happens. So I'm just rolling out the top of my back. And obviously that in the past that I've been doing my sessions with Scott Pearson, who is a specific cycling strength and conditioning coach, but his gym is about a 45-minute drive away, so I've joined a local gym just so that I can do an extra session in the week. This is not a sponsored video. He has been helping me out with the sessions, and I've got like an app now which is via him that shows me what I need to do in the gym, which is really, really handy. So yes, just letting you know about that. Now I'm rolling my glutes, and now I'm rolling my calf, and yeah. It is, I would recommend getting a foam roller to anyone that cycles or just anyone that is generally active. And now we've got the awkward position of me rolling my quad. So yeah, that is like probably takes maybe 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, but it is important. And now I'm doing a mobility warm-up, which is just basically stretching out my muscles and getting me warmed up to do the session that I've got planned. This is like a bookend one, so basically just like stretching around, just like stretching out your back and your arms. So that is what I'm doing. Now I'm just kind of doing like a side plank and then lifting up my leg. I don't know, and I have to apologise. The quality of the colour of this video is just ridiculous. I almost considered not posting it, but then I was like, no, maybe you'll get some use out of it. But it just looks weird. It's on a GoPro, but I think because of the colour in the gym, it's just horrible lighting. Anyway, so now I'm just getting all the weights that I'm going to need for my session. It was really quiet, so excuse me, it was really quiet. I wouldn't do this if it was really busy, but I just kind of like, I'll just put them all together and get them ready. So here we go. First one is chest supported dumbbell row, and this is I do 10 reps with different weights, and then basically it's just doing it until you can't literally lift the weight. So the weight increases at each set of 10. So I went up from a 6, 8, 10 and 12. So yeah, I am a beginner, so just be kind to me in the comments. I'm trying to get stronger, but yes, I am a beginner. So that's what I'm doing. And then intermixed with that, I do a dead bug, which is basically kind of like abs and then also stretching as well. So I do that as a superset in between. So I do the dumbbell row and then mix that with the dead bug straight after, and then just have a rest and then do the superset again. So awkward filming in a gym. I was like trying to keep it so I didn't get anyone else in it, but yeah, that's why I thought I should use the footage. Again, I'm doing the chest supported dumbbell row, but yeah, don't you think it looks like a weird colour? I tried to sort it out, but yeah, I don't know why that is. And I've actually really starting to enjoy working on my arms, because my arms are pretty weak, I think, because everything is cycling is legs, not all of it, but mainly is that, and so I quite like building up my arms. What am I doing now? Then I don't even know why I've left this in. I'm just basically sorting out all my weights. And then we move on to a dumbbell Romanian deadlift. And again, like I say, I am a beginner with this, so just be kind. And this I do 48 in total in 4 different sets. So I do 4 lots of 12. I can't remember what the weights I used for that. I think it was 10 and then I went up to 12 kilos on each. Or maybe I think it was 12 and 14 actually. Yeah, getting those glutes going. Now we come on to dumbbell bench press. And again, I really enjoy doing these. The only issue that I've got, this is again doing 10 reps and then increasing the weight by 2 kilos each time, and then until exhaustion. But the problem with this one is because I'm not with Scott normally spots me, so I will take a heavy weight knowing that he can grab it if not, so it's harder to do that on your own. So I think I did 8 kilos in each hand, so I guess I would have done more if he was there, because I just was scared I was going to drop it on my face. Then we're going to Goblet Squat, which is one that I've done throughout kind of my strength and conditioning stuff. So, and again, this one is 48 total, so I did 12 lots, and I think that's a 10 kilo weight. And it is actually really good to watch back, because I can see there that I could probably squat a fair bit lower, and my legs probably look a little bit too far apart. So there was a mirror there, but there was all the weights in front, so I couldn't see like the bottom half of my body, which is kind of pointless, of having the mirror there. But I really like doing this. And I remember at the start, God, the day after, I could barely even walk. So my body is getting used to it. And now I come on to step downs, which I did 3 lots of 12 of these on each leg. And this is just to kind of help this is like for your glutes again. So yeah, this is kind of what I end my session with. So yeah, this is just kind of an updated routine, because I feel like I show all my cycling stuff, and I think it is really important that I've found to try and start actually improving my overall strength and muscles rather than just the ones that I'm using on the bike. So yeah, I'm actually really getting into it as well. So I'm going to start going twice a week. And yeah, I'll keep you updated, and I will see you in the next video. In fact, if you've got any tips for me to kind of improve, then let me know in the comments, and I will see you next video. Also, just a little add-on, if you haven't subscribed, then please consider subscribing. You'll get kind of notified of my videos popping up. If you want to subscribe.